Bring the warmth and comfort of a genuine fireplace into virtually any indoor space. Enjoy the quaint charm reminiscent of the wood-burning fireplace. eFlame USA delivers beautiful, portable electric fireplaces that will add instant style and desired heat to any space in your home. With an all-electric design, you can create an inviting atmosphere. Just place your eFlame electric fireplace where you want and let the warmth and comfort quickly fill the room.
Napoleon's Trivista Pictura electric fireplace is designed with future trends in mind. The simple wall mount installation allows for flexibility in terms of where the fireplace is installed. Available in 50 inches and 60 inches, this electric wall mount offers a unique three-sided view of the flame that is further enhanced by the smoky side glass, ensuring both beauty and function at a great price. The 7 flame settings, 15 ember bed settings, and large and small crystal media creates a versatile focal point. Features optional birch and driftwood log sets for an upgraded experience. The included remote and push-button panel controls the fireplace settings for convenience. Offer the benefit of a net zero heating solution. Operate without heat to enjoy the ambiance all year round and cost pennies a day to operate. Electric fireplaces also evoke cozy and comforting effects.
A fireplace instantly changes the look and feel of a room. And there is no better way to make that transformation than with the IgniteXL electric fireplace from Dimplex. With so many electric fireplaces available, it's important to choose one that captures the charm and ambience of a real wood fire. As the inventors of the modern electric fireplace, the incredibly lifelike Dimplex flame ensure you'll enjoy a captivating focal point for years to come. Featuring edge-to-edge glass, the IgniteXL offers a flawless panoramic view of the flames from any angle. Whether you complete your fireplace with stone, tile, or drywall, the clean-faced design blends seamlessly from flame to finish. Home or high-rise, basement or bedroom, with IgniteXL the only limit is your imagination. No gas line, venting, or chimney is required. Simply frame, wire for electricity, and finish to suit your decor. Whether it's new construction or renovation, there is no easier or more cost-effective fireplace solution. While combustion fireplaces are only practical in the winter, you can enjoy your IgniteXL fireplace year-round. And when the weather turns cold, the Comfort Saver heating system makes sure everything is warm and cozy. Comfort Saver quietly and efficiently warms up to 1,000 square feet, making it ideal for zone heating in your main living spaces. And since the front glass stays cool to the touch, you never need to worry about the safety of your loved ones. IgniteXL lets you choose how bold a statement you want to make with your fireplace. Sparkling with intensity in a full spectrum of colors, the diamond-like acrylic ice ember bed adds dazzle in every size. Choose from 8 brilliant color themes using the convenient remote or built-in touch controls. Or cycle through the spectrum to choose a custom color that suits your mood or decor. And if you prefer a natural look, a driftwood and river rock accessory kit is also available. In any size and in any space, Dimplex helps you ignite the limitless possibilities of electric fireplace flame and comfort.